doing today?
We're building a ladder to go up into our treehouse.
Okay.
Tell us, leave a like if you like it. Get it? Let me mark it now.
Well, you're gonna, I'm not done marking, you're gonna have to go all the way down there. So that's 215.
I got a black seam, Mom. That's how Walter plays.
I don't know what he's doing.
He rolls on the grass for playtime.
Oh, this is playtime? Okay.
He sniffs for a clean spot and then just flops down.
Okay, so the first step is what? What are you doing?
The first step to mark the wood.
You're measuring out the wood? Okay.
Derp.
Derp?
Mama, hit
You're a
pause.
derp.
Ready? Come here. Very nice. Alright. Now, we'll get my safety glasses and the saw, and then we'll cut them.
Do you have two?
2 saws?
Well, only Daddy can do the saw, okay?
No,
You're not
the
old
two
enough.
Safety glasses.
Oh, I might have 2 pairs.
I think I saw some in the garage.
I saw some in there. I'll go get some safety glasses, and you can do me a favor
What?
and plug this in.
Like
See
this?
that outlet over there?
I know how to use it.
And plug in. I'll get your safety glasses.
Daddy, can I try testing it out?
Yeah.
Yay. Daddy said I could screw some in.
Yeah, you can do the screwing, but the saw, I don't think you're old enough for the saw yet.
How do you take this thing out? Oh. What kind are you looking for, Daddy?
Alright, let's put the saw.
Hey, don't abuse your privileges. Don't point it towards you or anybody else. If you keep doing that, it'll run out of battery.
I know. I won't.
Okay, here comes Daddy with his saw.
Is this so scary, Mama?
Not if you use it correctly.
So a long time ago, honey, Daddy built our fence in the backyard. He has just not the strength or the dexterity to do that again, but he got a cool tool out of it.
Mom, is this so dangerous and scary?
Do you know what the extension cord looks like, Ruby? No? Okay.
Go get it.
This is cool. I'm a worker, like Daddy. That's so scary.
Is something wrong?
Is it loud, Daddy? My switch wanna clean these clouds.
Keep them on. Nice.
Okay. You gotta scoot it down.
All right, next. Step off.
Good.
See, there's Mr. Cardinal.
Do they think they picked two different houses by accident? I got Mrs. Cardinal and Luke got Mr.
Maybe.
So the wife's like, where's my husband? And the husband's like,
Yes,
where's
buddy,
my
you can
wife?
help.
I'm
Yes.
thinking the angle, something like that.
Something like what?
I don't have any means to measure it right now, so I'm just kind of wing it.
This thing touched my leg.
It's not too bad right there. All right, let's make that
That's
first
good.
cut and we'll come back and check it. Stay right there, Ruby. I don't want you to go anywhere. Nice. Look
Can I
at that line.
stay here?
Look at that line, Ruby.
Perfect.
Very nice work. All right, Dag's gonna make 2 more cuts and we'll do a final fit and then we get screwed in.
Okay, Luke, hand me the screwdriver. This is not a screwdriver.
It's a drill. But
No,
it can't
I
be.
did the drill.
Well, you're both going to do it.
No, Daddy gave me the job of doing the drill.
You both can do it.
Oh. That's cool. Hey, look, I'll tell you what we can do. No, don't. Luke, I'm doing this so
Look, we got it.
people call me noobs in Utopia, but I don't care.
All you have to do, you don't care.
So they are the persons that are noobs because I gave them a world lock for a donkey, for one donkey.
They gave you a world lock for one donkey?
No, I gave them a world lock for one donkey, and they said no. Donkeys worth 2 world locks, and he was trying to scare me because a world lock's worth 5 donkeys.
So you can give me one?
I didn't buy it because he said I was a noob.
Just cross the line. Just cross the line, lady.
It's already getting dirty.
Oh, come on. What is like, and I'm like 20 hours?
Yes, in 20 hours.
I'm helping Daddy.
That's not what you need. If you're going to be that close, you need safety goggles.
I have your safety goggles.
No.
Rube,
No.
let him have the
Let him up
goggles.
there. He's in the danger zone.
No. I'll go in the danger zone.
Ruby, he needs them.
But I want to screw something in too.
You're both going to get a chance.
I want to do the whole ladder. I want to do the whole ladder thing.
So what I need to do?
Mom, I'm going to do push-ups with my
Nothing
legs.
yet.
Oh, doing push-ups with the legs is hard. Oh, that's so tired.
A little tricky, buddy, going on this kind
I
of...
want to do it.
Daddy's going to do this part, and then you guys are going to do the ladder part, okay?
So I can do 2
No.
ladder steps, and you can do 2 ladder steps.
Boy, got most of that one.
Okay. So I go first because I
think
already
that's
have
it.
the safety buckle.
Doesn't have as much torque.
That's good, though.
I'll have
That's
to,
a good step.
I'm going to drive these in this way myself. Too high.
Oh, that's so big.
Well, he's wearing blah, blah.
How about that?
Let Luke try because he has shorter legs.
Try it. Give it a man try, buddy. Come on.
He's wearing tight jeans. Maybe a little lower.
Right there.
Put your leg up, buddy.
Like this.
I think that's good.
It's good right there. So, Luke, this is what I want you to do. I'm going to put you straight in. And I want you to go right about there. And I'm going to start it through the wood, and you're going to finish it the rest of the way. You understand?
Daddy's got it, buddy. It's right here.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Okay, get down in front of me. And I'm going to hold it. And I want you to finish it off. Get it all the way in there. And push in as it's going in, okay? Push into the screw as you're screwing it in. There you go. Push in with all your might.
There
Push.
you go.
Oh, dang it.
Try again.
That's why you got to push. Okay, there you go.
Almost.
Oh, dang it. Now it's...
Push.
The fingers.
You can do it.
There you go. Push.
There you go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Now don't go anywhere.
Good job, Ruby.
Because I need to make another one.
Whoa. Okay.
Here, sit down again. Not done. I'm thinking right about there. What are you thinking?
Yeah. What?
Gotta get it going and then you finish it up. Got mosquito bites on my back.
I know.
Okay. Daddy, is this dangerous?
Well, I'm sure this is not the safest way. This is low speed stuff, so I wouldn't stand so close to it. Okay, Luke. Finish it off.
Oh, dang it.
Don't get crazy.
Okay, ready? Go!
Okay.
Nice.
There it is.
Good job, bro.
Okay, look, second one
Hold
for
on,
you.
hold on. I'm gonna add a third one above. Let Daddy add one more.
And then you do that one, and then I can do the two ones up there.
Excuse me, buddy.
I see eggs.
Yeah, I know.
It's on the tree.
They're kind of gross.
Where? There. Oh, well, one is hatching, I think.
It's got an egg. It's got
How about this one?
do one more. Nice and stiff. Okay, excuse me, buddy.
Let me try it out.
Before you try.
Well, let Daddy finish.
Mom, if we do this, then there's no point in having that place there.
Yeah, there is. You need several entryways, right?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. The first step.
One small step. See, there you go.
All right, watch out
Now
for
we
the ants.
need a second one.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
All right, Ruby, come here. Switch goggles.
Your turn.
Sorry.
No. I
Are you
did
sucking your
two.
own blood,
I did
vampire
two.
girl?
No, I have an ant bite.
I did two.
This one.
Well, you'll do another one after Ruby. Okay.
No, Ruby said we do two each.
Yep.
Yes, there's two more up there.
All right, how high up, Ruby? Tell me.
Two.
So stand up there and then
So like right here.
a little.
But then how's this gonna get up?
But Ruby's.
Excuse me.
How about right here?
No, let me check.
Mama's gonna take a look.
Ow,
It's the mama's call.
Maybe a little right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
I feel like ants are eating my body.
And Ruby's not happy about that. Okay, Ruby. Can you hold this for me? I'll make it. Hold it good.
Good.
Right there. Yeah.
Try it like this. All right,
Milk.
Ruby, come here. Let's finish this.
But I thought I was going to do the two top ones. Did Luke give up? No.
Watch
Well, do you want to do these two bottom ones,
Thought
Luke,
you were
and
doing
Ruby
this
does the top?
What?
Okay, let Luke do these, Steve.
All right, get in here, boy. There. Fish.
Mom,
Yes. Oh, I see an ant coming on you, Ruby.
oh, where?
Right there.
Just go, Steve. Ooh, that breeze feels good.
Look.
I farted.
Ow!
Hey.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I do the next one?
It's got to be all the way in there, though. Okay.
Hey, I waited for my turn for a long time. When am I going to get the screw?
These are a little more challenging.
Daddy, I can do it.
Me.
Okay, I want you you do these other two. I'm going to get both of them started and I want you to finish them, but here's the trick. You really got to push, right?
Like, really push?
Mom, 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 mom. Mommy.
Mama, mama, mom, mom, mom.
Mom.
Okay.
What I can
Now.
do.
Go jump on the trampoline.
No.
Right here.
I know how to do it, Daddy.
I'm going to help you. Right, ready?
Daddy, I can do this by myself.
I'm just going to push it to give it some pressure. Go. Squeeze trigger all the way.
I want to cheat.
All the way. I'm just going to get some force behind you, okay? Ready?
No, Daddy, I want to do this by myself.
Ruby, it's got to go in all the way. So ready?
You
We'll
can
work together.
finish it off at the end.
You're doing everything but the pushing. Go. All the way. Squeeze it tight.
I don't want to do everything but the pushing. I just
You're
want to do
driving
everything.
the drill. I'm just giving you a little extra force.
Stephen, let her, just show her or she's not going to believe you.
So now this is a hand cranking nightmare. Honey, the point of getting the speed up is so you get nice and low. Okay, that's better.
There. Now, the second one, I get to do all of them by myself.
Well, let Daddy start from
And launch! What were you trying to launch?
I'm sure about this one. How do you think about right there?
Please don't do that. That's a baby tree.
Hold it. Please hold it.
Now it's
Hold it.
right there. How about this? I'm good. Oh! Mom, this tree is poison. This tree is poison right here.
Oh, okay.
Our toes are hurting, Daddy. Hurry up. Oopsies. There we go. Thank you.
Someone's toast crunch.
You're going to do the rest of it.
In a minute.
Someone's toast crunch.
Okay, Daddy, let me do the last two.
I'm going to start them and you can finish and do it
No.
as I showed you.
No.
No.
I can do it. Mom, this is electric signal. Mom, this is electric signal.
It is, but it's not hooked up.
Okay, one. Hey, Ruby. As I showed you, you really have to crank on it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Watch now. Really push it in there. Now get it.
You just get your
Seat it
cinnamon toast
first
crunch.
before you turn it
No,
on.
no,
Now push.
no, Mom.
Go. Squeeze it all the way. All the way. Squeeze the trigger. There you go. That's what you got to do, Ruby. It needs the inertia.
Stop.
Daddy,
All right, ready?
I
Do
can
it.
hold it.
Squeeze the trigger all the way in.
Like that.
This child. I'm just
Daddy!
trying to help you steer it up. All right, now go. All the way out! All right, very nice.
There you go.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Now let me test
So
it
see
out.
if it works.
I want to test it out.
She's okay. Isn't that easier? Isn't that yes?
The work is successful.
Yay! Good job.
I want to try
Okay.
it. Concentrating. Yeah! Let me try going down. No way. No way. Why are you laughing?
You guys are silly.
Okay, you do this. Don't laugh about this. I'm Kendall, and I'm only 6. And I only have a loose tooth. 5 foot.
I don't think
Don't
anybody would laugh. Nobody would laugh at that. Good work, guys.